In the heart of Plantation Bay, where the good life flows, there's a place called home, where your comfort grows. 4 beds, 4 baths, all designed with care. A modern masterpiece, with elegance so rare. Upgraded to perfection, with style so fine. Every detail crafted, where beauty aligns. From the farmhouse porch to the pool so blue, this is where luxury comes through. Oh, it's luxury in Plantation Bay, where the living's grand. In a gated community, the best in the land, with a poolside retreat and a kitchen so bright. This is where your future feels just right. Tray ceilings high, where the light shines through. Custom tiles and millwork too. Smart shades roll with just a touch. In this home that offers so much, the pool's a gem, with views so clear. Oh, a night to relax, with the sky so near. Outdoor kitchen, where the grilling's a delight. This is where you'll spend your nights. Oh, it's luxury in Plantation Bay, where the living's grand. In a gated community, the best in the land, with a poolside retreat and a kitchen so bright. This is where your future feels just right. The new clubhouse awaits, with golf and more. A community that's built to adore. Resort style living, with everything at hand. Come find your place in this beautiful land. So if you're dreaming of a place so fine, where the pool's pristine and the stars align, come to Plantation Bay, where life's so